Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm making grouper, and what goes with fish? Tartar sauce. We're making homemade tartar sauce. Super easy recipe, 4 ingredients plus just a little bit of salt. You need 1/4 cup of diced or shredded dill pickles, 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of mayo, and salt to taste. So we're gonna get this started. Like I said, super easy recipe. You kind of want to mix this up ahead of time so the flavors mix together a little bit. You can make it right before. It still tastes pretty good, but it's best to mix it up and let it set for a while. So get our dill pickles in here. Get our lemon juice. And our Worcestershire sauce. And we're just going to mix this up. Now the Worcestershire sauce makes it a little brown, so it's a little different looking than what you buy at the store. They might not use that, but we do because it adds an extra little touch and it's real nice. So look at that. Homemade tartar sauce in about, what, 1-2 minutes? Now let's give this a taste here before we put salt in. That's really good. We're going to add just a little bit of salt here. Just a dash, and it is to taste. Now when I first mix this up, it does taste a lot like mayo. It's because the flavors really haven't mixed yet. That's why I said mix it up a little ahead of time and the flavors really mix together. But this is going to be awesome tartar sauce. I can't wait to put it on my grouper. Check out that video because we're making a video of that too. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.